What's up, mainframers? Today we're diving into something every MVS 3.8 tinkerer should know. How to create your own admin level user ID. So whether you're customizing your own system or you're just tired of logging in as Herc01, this tutorial is for you. And if you don't have access to a mainframe, that is not a problem. I have a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules emulator that runs the MVS 3.8 software, which is an IBM mainframe software, and you can install it and follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. Now that the intros are out of the way, let's get this job started. Before we begin, make sure you're logged on as Herc01. So to add a user ID, we're going to equal 3.4. And to the dataset name, we're going to type sys1 dot secure, hit enter. And we're going to tab over to the CNTL library and do a browse, hit enter. Then we're going to tab over to users, hit edit, and hit enter. Before we begin, let's make sure that the caps are turned on. So from the command line, we type caps on, hit enter. The user member displays a list of user IDs with their level of access, whether it's admin or user. New user IDs must be 6 or 7 characters long and entered in alphabetical order. Next, let's do a copy on the Herc02 and put an after at line 25 and hit enter. I'm going to type in my user ID, but you can enter any user ID of your liking. And just make sure that it's in the proper alphabetical order. Also, make sure that your user ID, level, and password are properly aligned, just like the other ones, because it won't work. Don't forget to save and exit. Next, we're going to switch over to the Hercules emulator screen. And we're going to type the following command, stop RAKF, and hit enter. RAKF is no longer active. Good. Next, we type the following command, start RAKF, and hit enter. Now the profiles and user table have been updated. Good. Let's go back to our terminal and do an equal 3.4. And we're going to go to the following dataset, which is sys2.jcl live, and hit enter. Tab over to do a browse and hit enter. Then we edit the AddUser member. From the command line, make sure that your caps is on. Then we edit where it says HLQ equals. We put the new user ID that you had entered. Then we save and submit the job. Next, let's see what datasets were created. So we do an equal 3.4 from the command line. And we type in your user ID. Mine is MF Mojo. Clear it up, hit enter. And the AddUser Job has created these following datasets. Next, we're going to log off the system. So we go equal X from the command line and hit enter. On the ready, just say log off. Log in with your new user ID. Mine is MF Mojo. Hit enter. And I put in my password, which is the same as Herc01. And now I'm logged on as my new user ID. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then I would like to ask you to please smash the like and subscribe button down below so you'll be notified for more upcoming JCL tutorials coming your way. And don't forget to drop a comment down below if there are any JCL supported topics that you would like to see. Until then, I will see you later.